Good morning, parents and future Damanians. Welcome to Daman High School Open House 2020. Well, unprecedented times call for unprecedented approach. Even though we are unable to welcome you in person to Daman High School, we have nonetheless prepared for you interesting videos, sharing by parents and students, as well as all other information that we know will help you make an informed choice for your next phase of your educational journey. So, why Daman High? First and foremost, Daman High is a big family where students, or we affectionately call them Damanians, are at the very core of why we do what we do. Our extended family members, such as our parents, our alumni, our partners, work closely together to build this strong community bond. We are never alone in this journey. We offer a 6-year integrated program, and we take pride for our strong emphasis on bilingualism and biculturalism given our SAP status. Our track record, academic or otherwise, has been nothing less than stellar, all thanks to our highly motivated students, supportive parents, and very caring and hardworking teachers. Our motto is 诚信永忠, or honesty, trustworthiness, moral courage, and loyalty. This is a creed that every Damanian, past and present, will be able to recite, even long after he or she has left the school. As a school, we aim to nurture Damanians who are able to care, to serve, and to lead, that they will be active contributors in the society, impacting the lives of people around them. Together, we aspire to build a premier school of leaders of honor, leaders who are anchored on sound values and serving in spite of his or her position. As an integrated program school, we offer a unique learning environment which allows the spiral progression from Sec 1 all the way to JC 2. We also adopt diverse teaching and learning practices to cater to different learning needs and put in place a wide selection of programs, from competitions to learning journeys to attachment to industries, so as to better prepare Damanians for the future. Going into the future, having a good academic records alone is not sufficient. We need to be anchored in values that will withstand the test of time and help us to make sound judgments and wise decisions. Daman High enjoys a widespread reputation for a character development program. We will continue to provide the necessary platforms for Damanians to be developed holistically so that they will indeed become leaders of honor. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us and let us help you to realize your fullest potential. Thank you, and I look forward to welcoming you in 2021 here in Daman High. Till then, keep well, stay safe. Bye.